All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to this channel right over here. Look at this. We got the Apurvis Primordial here with us for a quick review. No, it's not a review. It's going to be a maintenance. What am I talking about? Where is the flipper tab? Oh, it's just like here. Guys, it needs a little bit of coffee, but it's all right. I'm just going to start and take this fella apart. T8 and T6 for this guy. We are starting to... Yeah, we got to take these two fellas apart. So start from that. I don't know. I like that this time. Or no. Let's start from the pivot. Who cares? It's pretty much... So this is a non-spinning pivot, looks like, which came off nicely. That is very good. It's keyed in, so just push the pivot out like so. The blade comes off very easily. Do we want to? Let's do it. Why not? So grab a T6 for these two screws right over here. One is going to be the clip, right? Which is that, and this is going to be the second one, like so. So here you go, and here you go. So interesting. Look at this. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna clean this stuff here. Bearings are out. Grab one alcohol swab of these, and we're gonna start cleaning this blade like here. Tang. And all these little crevices are clean. And then, oops, then the inside here. Yeah, just cleaning the clip. And the pivot area. Same thing on this side. There's not much to clean. It's pretty in good shape. It's just to show you, and let's also clean the two bearings right over here. 1 and 2. So these are done. Let's put the screws here and let's put this thing back together. So we start from this side over here, right? Yes, no, who knows? So that thing is keyed in from this side over here. So this guy is gonna go on the show side, of course. And it's gonna go keyed in to the side like this. All right, so AP is like straight. Of course, we need this oriented in this orientation like so. And then we need that bearing with a little bit of lube, like 1, 2, and 3 drops. It's fine. You gotta have the blade in. Also, we're gonna do the stop pin. Notice how I kept the orientation of the stop pin, because you never know. And then the second bearing is in, and then you get another 3 drops like so. One for the detent ball ramp. And we get to, wow, look at this. Huh. So we get to do this. So this guy is gonna go right over here, and this little one is gonna go through there. So we can keep this aligned, it's all right. We're gonna tighten those in a second. Now is just to keep the scale in place, because now we're gonna release, pinch, and we have to angle the pivot so it just goes in like so. See, it's lined up. Then grab this. You can even Loctite at this point, but because this is a loaner, I'm not gonna use Loctite. Don't forget to change the bit into a T8, otherwise it's gonna be pretty hard, right? So there we are. Pivot looks okay. This thing is nice. There's no blade play. And the action is superb, guys. Oh my god. This action is incredible. What happened? Wow. Love the action. It's just really... Ooh, look at this. Very pleasant. It's very nice, guys. I love it. Apurvis Primordial in the house. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.